What should you do when your stocks are breaking out? Should you sell right now when you're up, or should you hold and follow your plan? What should you do? Check this video out. Hey guys, this is Marvin Germo from the Space Needle. I'm just recording from my phone, but I hope that I give you content that will help you analyze some stocks. So the market over the past few days has been breaking out. There's a lot of stocks that were dormant, sideways, not going anywhere, started to go up again. And there are some stocks that were in uptrends that continually moved up. Some of them though have started to show red candles. Some of them, though, have started to go and retrace a bit downward. What do you do if you own stocks like that and there are stocks that are in your portfolio that you are watching, that as you're watching them, it's starting to go lower? What should be your narrative? Answer your question. I'm a bit more laid back here because my wife is just over there still, the small dot there. She's waiting for, she's trying to look for a place for us to have dinner, so I'm taking this time to answer this question. Number one, you have to remember, if you are a position trader, your goal is to sell when uptrends are broken. If you are a quick trader or you are a person who trades specific ranges, your goal is to trade when resistances are not broken or when the support gets broken or a breakdown actually happens. So those should be conditions that you should plot in already before you make the trade for you to sell. If those don't happen, you don't have to sell even if there's a red candle. You have to remember the range and the trend is much stronger than the day-to-day movement of any candlestick that you can have or you can see. What do I mean by this? If there's a red candle, even if it's consecutive down days, if the trend is not broken, if the range is not broken, meaning it bounces still, it's still above the support range, or it's still approaching the resistance and it has not hit it yet, you don't actually need to sell it. And that should be your style, that should be your narrative into all of this. You have to have the discipline to hold your position until a sell signal starts to emerge. You need to have the discipline to hold your position until the charts confirm that it's really reversing down, until the charts confirm that, hey, the trend is actually broken or the support is also not holding. So what do you need to exercise here? And I've been saying this, I've been harping on this over and over again. The key thing that you need to exercise as of this point in time is patience and discipline. If those resistances are not yet hit, you don't actually need to do anything yet. If those resistances it's still far from the resistance, you don't actually need to sell yet. If the stock is not yet trending down, you don't need to sell. Don't open your browser, don't refresh it every minute because you will just be tempted to transact it. You don't have to transact every time. Money is not in the monitoring, money is in the positioning and the discipline and the patience to follow your plan, to follow your strategy, that when it gets hit, that's when you start selling and taking profits. So you need to exercise that discipline. Again, money is not in the monitoring, money is in the discipline on following your strategy and trading plan. So if the market breaks past 8,100, congratulations. Your positioning has done you well, that you are not panicking. The more you stay away and deviate from your emotions, the biggest temptation of people right now is this up na ako, sayang baka maging batupad. Don't fall into that temptation. Wait until sell signals emerge, and that's when you start selling. Wait until your plan has been fully crafted, and that's when you start selling. People lose money because when they see their stocks go up, they sell too quick. Again, the biggest problem of a lot of people who are trading is not that they bought wrong or bought right. They bought the right, but sometimes they sell too early, and then when they bought the wrong, it takes them a longer time to cut. Right now, since the market is going up, stocks are doing well. It's all about how you bought right when buy signals emerge, and it's now about time for you to stick to your plan, to hold on to your stocks, especially you came in at the right time. Do not sell yet. Do not give in to temptation. Do not give in to the notion that you have to sell. If it goes down and then the sell signals get breached, by all means sell, take profits, because at the end of the day, you will never get the highest, you will never get the peak. Your goal is never to find where the peak is. Your goal is to stick to your plan. Because if you stick to your plan, it gives you confidence. Because if you stick to your plan, it gives you strength and power to see that, hey, it actually works, that my strategy actually works. And it gives you something that you can repeat over and over and over again. Again, the style as a trader is to find something that you can repeat. Because if you find something that you can repeat, it's something that whatever scenario you are seeing, good scenario, bad scenario, you can repeat it over and over and over again, and you cannot do that if you rely on your emotions. So I guess that's it for now. My wife, so weird, we are in Seattle, but she wants to eat Thai. Why is that?
God,
Why do you want to eat Thai?
I
Like when
want
we were in New
rice.
Zealand, you wanted Thai.
I want rice.
Okay. So what does it have to do with our food today? Why do we...
Asian food has rice.
Okay.
Dietings.
Thai it is?
I'm so sick of breads and sandwiches.
Pero carbs pa rin yun eh.
I want rice.
Okay. That's the end of this video for now. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. That's how you win when the markets are up. Never exercise your emotions. See you all
again soon.
See you all again soon, guys. God bless you. So guys, guess what? Nasaan kami? Mukhang natuloy kami. Saan? What are we eating? What's this?
Tom yum.
And
Had house, something like that.
grabe, something that we can eat in Festival Mall. For 200 pesos. Okay, bye guys.